In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create and manage an email campaign using Mailchimp. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently send your message to your audience. To start, navigate to the Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to creating and managing all your email campaigns, allowing you to see what's already in progress and start something new. Next, once you're in the campaigns section, look for the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed, designed to catch your eye as you plan your next big outreach. Clicking this gives you access to a range of campaign options, but for this demonstration, we're focusing specifically on email design. Now, it's time to choose Design Email. This is where your creativity can shine as you craft the perfect message tailored to your audience. Whether using one of Mailchimp's templates or starting from scratch, this tool provides everything you need to design content that grabs attention and communicates your message clearly. If you're worried about committing to a design too quickly, don't be. You can choose to edit your email at any stage of the process. Some prefer to dive into designing immediately, while others might wait until they have the skeleton of their campaign ready. It really depends on your workflow. For today, however, we're going to proceed with the design and leave detailed edits for later. Having set a good foundation for your campaign design, it's time to focus on your recipients. Find the To tab and click on it. Here, you can specify exactly who will receive your message. You might already have a target group in mind or need to refine the list a little further, and Mailchimp makes this part simple and intuitive. You have the option to do not send to specific groups or individuals. This feature is particularly useful if you need to manage multiple audience segments and ensure that your message reaches precisely the intended recipients without any overlap. Simply search by name or tag to identify those you want to exclude from this campaign. Once you've made your recipient selections and exclusions, remember to click the Save button. This step ensures all your hard work in setting up and refining your campaign won't be lost and provides a record of your efforts so you can adjust or replicate them in future campaigns. By following these steps, you'll have a Mailchimp email campaign ready to engage your audience effectively. Thank you for watching.